Okay, Saturday update for today, Saturday, September 9, 2017. The hurricanes update. I'm outside here with the pups. Just had breakfast, the leftover breakfast. There's Fritz over there, and there's Rainy hanging out over there. Rainy, of course, puked in the house all night last night, and so I had to clean up puke this morning. So anyway, today, for the Saturday hurricane update, is just right now it's just breezy. It looks like the hurricane is going to pass over into the west coast and actually a little bit weaker than expected. Could pick up and speed back up again and get worse. But as of right now, it's a category 4 and it looks like it's headed towards the west coast where my sister, two sisters live at. Everybody's boarded up, everything's closed, but I don't think it's going to be that bad after all. Generator out there right by the shed. I'm going to put the generator inside the shed in a little bit and also move this table. But right now it doesn't look like there's going to be much of anything. It's still early though, and winds are supposed to pick up later in the day, and in the evening, and in the Sunday, very early Sunday morning is the maximum force of the storm will affect this area. But it looks like it's going to be on the west coast, and of course my shirt is hanging up on the stem of the new branches. Look at those branches of palm tree. So that's basically it. I mean, not much to update other than just that. I'll do another update later on.